Option 1. High urgency plus 2008 hook. It's happening again. Regional banks dump 47B in Treasuries. 2008 pattern repeating. Option 2. Data plus fear plus specificity. $47 billion Treasury liquidation. The silent banking crisis. No one is talking about option 3. Algorithm optimized best balance. Regional banks are selling Treasuries fast. Is a 2008 style crisis starting? Option 4. High emotional trigger. The banking system is cracking. 47B Treasury sell-off. Explained YouTube SEO optimized description. Long form, algorithm friendly. Use this exactly under your video. Between January and February 2026, regional banks in the United States quietly liquidated over $47 billion in U.S. Treasury securities. This isn't speculation. This isn't financial Twitter noise. This is Federal Reserve H8 balance sheet data. In this video, we break down why regional banks are dumping treasuries, what deposit outflows really mean, the connection to commercial real estate stress, the surge in Federal Home Loan Bank borrowing derivative collateral calls and off-balance sheet risks, why this mirrors the early stages of the 2008 financial crisis, what happens if confidence breaks, and most importantly, how to position yourself ahead of the curve. We connect the dots between Treasury market liquidity, fractional reserve banking mechanics, FDIC insurance limits, commercial real estate refinancing risk, federal debt trajectory, global debt crisis pressure, precious metals positioning, distressed credit opportunities. This is not about panic. This is about understanding systemic risk before the headlines catch up. If the pattern from 2007-2008 is repeating, we are still in the early chapters, not the final act. Watch carefully. Position wisely. This content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Markets involve risk. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Pinned comment strategy. To boost engagement and algorithm. Pin this immediately. Do you currently have more than $250,000 in uninsured deposits at a regional bank? If yes, what's stopping you from moving it? Inertia? Relationship banking? Belief in FDIC expansion? Let's have a serious discussion below. This increases comment engagement, watch time community interaction, algorithm ranking, video chapters, very important for retention. Add these timestamps. 0000, it's already happening. 002.15, $47 billion Treasury liquidation. 0540, deposit flight signals. Euro 830, FHLB borrowing spike. 12.20, commercial real estate risk. 17.10, derivative exposure and collateral calls. 2145, 2008 parallels. Explained 2630, Treasury market contagion. 32.10, fractional reserve banking reality. 38.0, FDIC limit risk. 42.20, macro debt crisis backdrop. 49.0, wealth transfer phase. 53.40, asymmetric plays, gold, silver, miners. 01.02, immediate action steps. Chapters increase, average view duration. Search visibility, suggested placement, high power tags, paste and tags section, regional bank crisis, banking crisis 2026, treasury sell-off, regional banks dumping treasuries, financial crisis warning, commercial real estate collapse, deposit flight, FDIC, insurance limit, Federal Reserve, H8 report, bond market crash, 2008, financial crisis, repeat, systemic banking, risk, gold investment, 2026, silver breakout, distressed credit investing, U.S. debt crisis, fractional reserve banking, explained liquidity crisis, bank run warning market crash, 2026, hashtags put at bottom of description, JARS banking crisis, financial crisis, JARS regional banks, JARS treasury market, JARS gold investment, JARS silver 2026, market warning, JARS your economic collapse, systemic risk, thumbnail strategy, critical text on thumbnail, big bold, 47B sold or banks are dumping treasuries or 2008 again, visual ideas, cracked bank building, red downward treasury chart, dollar bill burning 2008 headline faded in background, emotion, controlled urgency, not panic. Algorithm boost strategy, very important. Upload at peak US time, 6 p.m., 9 p.m. EST. First 30 minutes, reply to every comment. Heart comments. Pin 1. Share in. Financial Twitter, X. Reddit, RR Economics, RR Investing. Facebook finance groups. Post a shorts clip with regional banks just sold $47 billion in treasuries. This is not normal. This feeds long-form video traffic. Why this will rank. Your video contains data references, Federal Reserve Reporting Systemic Risk Narrative 2008 Parallel, high search volume, gold and silver hedge positioning, actionable steps, strong engagement hook. That combination triggers browse suggested search returning viewers.